Yeah, hi guys. I've just had fireworks, so yeah, I haven't done 2 videos a day. I'll probably do it the second I sort this one. So yeah, I recorded the fireworks so I can show you. My brother just did a video like this. Yeah, here you go. It may be a little. Hang on. What? Oh. So yeah, that was fireworks. We did do some lanterns, but I forgot to record them. So yeah, but yeah, yeah. Bye. 1 second. Let me just show you my bro. See what he's doing. He's watching his thingy video, which he just did.
Hi guys, I'm just editing it right now.
Yeah, this guy.
Okay.
Yeah, he's doing. Yeah, so yeah, don't you take on my channel. So yeah, Alfie and Charlie, I try to get them back.
And they can't.
Huh? Bye.
That was kind of, you said subscribe, just saying no.
I don't care. Bye.